How to cut soft layers that actually blend. What is layering? So layering, and I've said this a million times, it's a technique that's designed to remove weight. Now, when you think of soft layers, you're probably thinking to yourself something that just blends so perfectly. There's no harsh lines or harsh steps. Well, that is what I'm going to help you understand today. And the way I break down haircutting is, and to keep this as simple as possible, is if you look at hair as it grows out from the head, right? It grows out, everywhere. It grows out from the head. The only place it grows straight up is probably right here, which is the flattest part of the head. That's when it's growing a true straight up this way, and then it starts to move its way around. So when you're thinking of something soft, you're probably thinking of something that's very, very balanced. If a haircut is not balanced, it's choppy, it's all uneven, Steven. You don't want to be uneven, Steven. You want to be even, Steven. So then you're going to probably get a better result if you are even. Now, let's just break down how to go about getting soft layers. Let's just say you have already had, and there's a two-part thing to this. One, if you are a client watching this and attempting to do this yourself at home, I always say, good luck. It gets very, very challenging because being able to hold your hair up in certain angles on your own, it's tough. If you are someone who's watching my videos as a guide to cut someone else's hair, then obviously this is much easier. And if you're a hair professional watching this, this is so crucial to understand. Soft layering, connecting, all of it is really important. So let's just say all of this was all cut back here. And it's now time to connect the whole top and front, sides, corners of the haircut. What you want to do, and this is where the hair grows out from the head, right? So I'm combing this to find its natural growth pattern, and I'm going to be matching up the length here to follow this shape, right? And let's just do this for a couple of sections. And my main goal here is to focus on staying within the top and then realizing that I've got the corners and the sides. So I'm trying to stay within this one area, which is going to keep me very, very consistent. And it's going to help me stay balanced, aka soft, flowing, connected. So I've just cut this one section in through here to continue the flow. Now it's like, now it's time to get to the top. This is where the magic happens. This is where the softness comes in. How do you connect this part into this part? Well, it's very simple, at least how I teach it. So let's comb this back. I took a slice from here and brought it back. I'm introducing those two sections. And now what's going to happen is as I comb this, I'm going to start to see some longer hair. Not really back here. I'm using this as a guide. And what I'm going to do is connect this moving forward. And think of it as shaking hands, giving a hug, whatever it is you have to think of to make this connection. Here is where the hair is now growing straight up. And there it is. Now I'm going to go on this side, comb that down, because that is the area that we don't want to go to downtown in the city. So let's comb this up and connect. So what I'm doing is I'm following and connecting. One more section on this side. We have to still not leave out this side over here because all of it's important. Here we go. Comb it up. There's the longer hair. And so now what we've done is literally connected the entire area right in through here into the back. And you can see how nice and soft it is. It's soft. There's no harsh lines. So now, since we've already become BFFs, it's time to work into the entire top. So we've got the top, corners, and sides. So let's take a section straight across. And now I'm going to work horizontally, aka straight across. And there's my guide from the previous section. And I just cut it straight across. Get rid of that hair, take a new section. And now think of this as going to meet new friends. There we go. We cut that straight across. Take a section from that, leave the past behind, and now we're combing straight up. And what this is doing, it's allowing us to keep a perfectly even Steven shape. Comb this out of the way, probably get 1 or 2 more sections depending on the density, but notice how I'm staying within the top part of it. There's top, corner, sides. Here we go, the money shot right in the front. Let's take this and comb this. Now, you don't want to pull this and over direct back. This is where you want to slightly comb it a bit, again, out from the head. And there is the guide, the section, and I'm going to come back and show you how to actually make sure this is all even and blended and connected together. And there we go. So the top is done. Now what I want you to do is we're going to introduce the corners, which is where the head rounds out, right in through here. All right, so we've got top, corners, sides. Let's go into the corners right here. We're going to go back and start from the back and work our way forward. And hello, Mr. Corner. Goodbye. So we're cutting that corner off. Let's comb this out from the head. Make sure we got all those hairs. There we go. Cutting that corner off. Hello, corners. Nice to meet you. And what do I want to be you? There we go. Get rid of that. Working our way. And what this is doing, you'll see the guide. There's the guide from the previous section. In the front right here, you want to make sure you're taking a thicker section to protect that base foundation in through here. You don't want to create any holes or gaps. So there we go. Corners are done. Now it's time to work into the sides, push this hair out of the way, and now it's time to go into the sides. So we're going to go back over here. Let's comb this straight out. There is the weight right there. Next section. There is the weight. The length is already there. We're going to go all the way, making sure we're combing all of this. There's the weight on top of that right there. And you can see exactly what I am cutting. I'm cutting all of that hair that's laying on top of that, which is creating that harshness. It's creating that step. It's not letting the hair look soft. There it is right there. And boom. So what we've done here is literally the entire top section, corner section, side section. Let's do the other side. So if you're working on a client, just basically turn the chair. Here is the corner. Boom. There's the corner. Get rid of it. Here's the corner. Get rid of it. And I'm doing this now like how I would normally do it. I'm just blasting through this, and you can see. I'm not taking 45 different sections. Some of you want to look pretty, that's fine. But I'm all about efficiency, getting the job done in a way that still is going to be perfect. Okay, there it is. Let's go down to the corners a bit more. Let's just make sure we're connected there. And now let's go down to the sides. There's the weight right there. Okay, here we go. There's the weight right there. Let's bring all this down. This side happens to be a bit more damp than the other side. That's why I'm doing this. Comb that out of the way. There's the corner that we connected the side into. Let's bring this all the way downtown just to make sure we're even and balanced. Now I'm going to take a larger section right in through here. Comb this out. Boom, there it is. All right, now, last part of this, how to perfect this and make sure that it's like 100% good to go. Comb this all back. We're going to think of this as like the mohawk section, okay? What I'm doing is I'm combing this. You see how I'm combing this out this way. I'm not over-directing back. I'm combing this out from the head. Wait for it, and there's a bunch of hair right there in the front, and we're going to connect that right there. So what I'm looking for here is any sort of hair that might be slightly longer or off balance. I'm going to be combing everything to that one piece. There's that one piece right there. Make sure that's all good to go. And this is going to basically tell you and show you, like, okay, the hair is cut is balanced. Let's do the other side. Combing this up and out from the head. There's a little bit of weight right there. Combing this up. A little bit right there, and last section right here, and boom, we're good to go. So I just did that entire thing in a short amount of time. Now let's watch this. Let's check this out and see where the softness is coming from. So I'm going to comb this back, and I'm going to get all this hair running through this way. Let's comb this. Let's create kind of like a natural middle parting here. Let's spray a little bit of 25 spray, and it's got 25 hair benefits. Give it a good shake. Press firmly. 3-4 sprays. Comb this all through. And now I want to blow dry this in real time to show you how the layers can be soft. Now, let's take a look at this, and you tell me if you see softness. I mean, this whole thing is beautiful. It's soft. Let's get nice and close here so you can see the layers. And, I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. So look how, when I comb this back, is that soft? I mean, look how beautiful it is. That is soft to me, right? Because you run it through, it's beautifully blended, beautifully layered. I mean, that's really to me, and look how nice this side is. It's the same thing. So if you're looking for even Steven layers, then this is going to be the way to do it, right? You comb it down, and look at that. So it's very bouncy. It's very, very soft. So this is how, and this is the same method on longer hair even, right? If you have longer hair, it's going to be the same thing. You're just holding it out longer from the head. And yeah, I think this is very, very helpful. So let me know in the comments below if you are a hair professional, if you're a client watching this, if you found this video helpful. I'd really love to know. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.